Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And today, the same day as all the other videos so far, we are checking out a rainy lap in Michigan on the mountain race. Let's have a look. We have nice run through here. Oh! We have quite a few crashes in this one. Oh! Beautiful! Okay, there are lots of attempted drifts, because actually on this track, usually around gear 2. Oh! Turn off there. That is probably why I came second. In this race. Well, anyway, we are doing pretty well. But yeah, guys, there are actually quite a few attempted drifts that didn't go well. Because, like I said, most of the races are in Gear 2. And you're not really able to drift in Gear 2. You just stop. Look in the wrong direction. But yeah, I do get some drifts off. And the ones that I do pull off look pretty good. And they look very, very beautiful. Again, sorry about the camera shake. I can't help it. I am, oh god, just a human being. But yeah, and guys, we're around halfway through the lap time here. Ooh, and there was a crash there onto that metal. Now the reason I crashed is because I was going around gear 1 and I tried to drift around that. So sorry, no, yeah. So sorry guys. What happened in that corner was I was around gear 1 and I really wanted to drift around it because it was basically a U-turn. And it was a pretty sharp one at that. But I came in too slow and too tight, so I hit the metal. So guys, we are very close to the ending of the race. Oh, and I hit a tire there. An absolutely beautiful run on this lap. For a wet lap though, that is actually very good as a wet lap. You know, I don't think I will be visiting this track again. Actually, no, I probably will be visiting this track, but not in a wet lap. That is. Oh, what a beautiful drift. And there it is.